Hey everyone, Michael Short here. Alberta is portrayed as a place where conservation and development are always at odds, but spend any time on the land and the story is far more complicated than that. Alberta holds some of North America's last intact grasslands, headwater streams that feed three major river systems, and working landscapes where ranchers, hunters, and anglers and industry overlap. What's easy to miss is that much conservation work in Alberta doesn't make the headlines. It happens quietly. Stream crossings are rebuilt, fences are modified so wildlife can move, habitat is protected not by locking people out, but by managing how we use it. The outdoors here isn't about choosing sides, and it's certainly not about striking a balance, in my opinion. It's about a clear path and what we want to protect and what we're willing to give up, which can lead to some difficult choices and requires some long-term thinking. Many conservation organizations are doing great work, and they're serious about protecting wild places in Alberta. In the coming year, as we wrap up 2025, I hope their voices are heard.